This is story time.
My Pteranodon has a sneeze by Elwyn Tate. My Pteranodon has a sneeze. Oh, what am I to do? He holds his nose, curls his toes, and yells out, "Achoo!" My Pteranodon has a sneeze. His snout is red and sticky. His wings won't flap. His beak won't snap. He's feeling rather
Icky.
My Pteranodon has a sneeze. He huffs and puffs all day. I wonder if this problem will ever go away. He sneezes when we're on the train. He sneezes in my aeroplane. He even sneezes when he snores and wakes the other dinosaurs. He needs a nice warm jacuzzi, says my Stegosaurus Susie. He needs to spend some time in bed, says my woolly mammoth Fred. Oh dearie me, what can it be that's making you so sneezy? We all agree, it's plain to see, you're feeling slightly queasy. There has to be a remedy to stop this sneeze of yours. But wait a sec, perhaps I'll check my big book of dinosaurs. And he reads and reads and read and read. Aha! That's it. I've worked it out. I know. You've a poorly snout. It says here on page 21, Pteranodons like lots of sun. So pack your bags, my dinosaur friend, and soon you'll be on the mend. To cure this sneezy situation, we're going off on a
Vacation.
3,
2, 1, lift off.
Zoom! Whoosh. Swoop and soar, flying on a dinosaur. Off to sunny skies of blue. See you in a week or two. We've landed in a lovely spot. The sea is calm, the sun is hot. There are lots of things to see and do. We wish that you were here with us too. My Pteranodon has no sneeze. He's much better than before. But the only problem now is my Allosaurus has lost his roar.
To be continued.